Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how can you record macros and why they are important. Let me give you an example, a simple example. For example, here if you see, if you have a data in this format and every week or every month or every year the data updated and you have to repeat the same steps again. For example, you have to arrange the data in this desired format and you want to avoid the steps doing again and again. So what you can do, you can record these steps, save it in a software, so whenever you have a updated data, you have to just press a run macro button and it will arrange the data in the format you require. How can you do this? So let's begin. For example, you have a data in this format and you want to modify or in a desired format. Before doing anything, you have to go here in developer format and you see here in macro, look, there is no macro available right now, so you can just start recording macros here and name it like formatting and make a short key like M and okay. So if you see in a desired format, I need name, date and amount. So I have to arrange my data in this format. So I will go here in data, I will do it by the option. You can do it manually, there is no problem, and the software will remember the steps you are doing. And so I want to highlight these and make it bigger, and I want to apply here a conditional formatting. The rule is, for example, if the value is less than $1, highlight it with the yellow color. Okay, this is done. So I need these changes. So when I'm done, I will go here and stop recording. Now for example, delete this, I don't need this. Okay, now for example, I have updated data now in this format and I want to convert it into desired format. What will I do? I will go here in macro, select this formatting and run. So you will see it will convert your data into desired format. But the issue is, for example, I don't need this, again delete this. If the data is in this format but not sitting on the same place, so if I apply here a macro, or I want to apply here macro, it will not gonna work because the data is not on the same place. In that case, what we do, okay, I don't need this sheet again, I will make here, for example, copy this one and copy anywhere you like. So avoid this problem, you have to use this option, use relative reference. Press here and record. Now name it like relative formatting and write here RF or R. Now I need in like this desired format name, date and amount. I will separate them in a similar way as I did it before. So it is done. I will make it bold. I will apply here conditional formatting. The rule I will make by using second option, less than $1, then make it yellow. Okay, so go here in developer format and stop recording. Now I don't need this sheet. Let's suppose the data is given and given anywhere. I want to run macro. I will go here, I will use this macro and tada, your data is converted into desired format. So I hope you like the video. Bye bye.